So yesterday I was on the Tesla Cam subreddit, which is a subreddit for all the Sentry mode and Tesla Cam videos, and I found something super interesting. I found two different posts that show the same criminal rolling up in the same car, and you'll see it here in a bit in the first clip. It's a candy gold or like a copper Cadillac. And the first two clips are from the same car, different angles. This is the side view, and then the second one is the front view. And then the third one is it says in different car, different location, and you actually see the perpetrator's face. And I thought this is really going to change the game in terms of insurance and also law enforcement. A lot of people online say that law enforcement doesn't act on these things, but that's not true. From what I've seen is if you give them sufficient evidence and like hard evidence that cannot be disputed, they will do something about it. Especially when someone like this is a serial perpetrator and that's all they do, they will definitely do something about it. And in this case, people have tried to run the license plates on Reddit, I saw, but it came back to different cars. So even if the license plate isn't the correct license plate, the police can put an APB out for, gold-colored Cadillacs, given that it's not a very common color and a very common car in the first place. So there's probably like 2 or 3 in that area of that kind of car, and they can stop 2 or 3 cars without much inconvenience and make an arrest. So I just thought this was really interesting, and it's going to change the entire game for insurance and law enforcement, and also make people buy Teslas because they feel more safe having a Tesla, that their car won't be broken into. Especially that now all over the world it's going to be known that, don't try to pull something on a Tesla, or don't even try to pull something when there's a Tesla around, because it could be recording. So I'll leave all the links of previous stories, and I'll also leave Jason and my Tesla referral code in the bottom, and the links to the Reddit discussions. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already bought a Tesla, I think you should. So links in the description, like I said before. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you like my crappy YouTube channel, just subscribe. Thanks for watching.